It's here! I've got a package! Hey guys, I'm back! What you saw earlier is that me waiting for the ultimate package that I've been waiting for a long time already. If you've been following me on my social media accounts, you would have known that I spilled coffee on my previous laptop. And this laptop is actually from my parents. Natapunan ko siya ng coffee one Friday morning, and the Asian side of me put it in a bag of rice, but it didn't work. My old one is a 13-inch MacBook Air, and the guy from the repair shop said that I broke the display cable and they couldn't replace it because it's vintage. I had that laptop for 6 years, and his words are, my laptop is vintage. That's how I decided that I'll just get the newest, the best, and the greatest MacBook Pro. So gumagawa ang Apple ng dalawang klase ng laptop. The first one is the MacBook Air. Air is the one that has wedge on here. And the second one is a MacBook Pro. I decided to get the MacBook Pro because my issue before was that it's too heavy and too bulky. Pero ngayon nagagawa na nila siya ng hindi na gaanong mas super bigat kesa sa MacBook Air. Like it's really good for editing and for people who does more things on their laptop than the usual typing, surfing, and watching a video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm just gonna focus on the MacBook Pro because that's what I have today. Apple this year made 4 models out of their MacBook Pro. Ang pinagkakaiba lang nila is yung mga processor. Maraming mga review saying na sobrang ganda nga nung baseline model nung MacBook Pro, and para sa majority of the people in the public, okay na yun para sa kanila. But I decided to get the higher end one just because matagal yung hintay pag yung base yung kinuha mo. I just got the higher end. Ito yung 512 gig lang siya. But I think that's enough already for me. Let's start unboxing this beaut right here. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro. Here it is, guys! The new MacBook Pro 2020. There it is. I got the darker gray one just so I could get the new laptop feels, you know. I'm so happy. I'm not really a techie person. All of the technical stuff, I'll leave it to the experts. But what I'm going to be talking about today is how to customize your MacBook laptop, how to customize your folders, the dots and accent colors, customize the desktop background, how to download the digital analog screensavers, and lastly, the hot corners. If you guys don't know anything about it, that's fine. I'll be talking through it. Let's get started. Oops! Already turning itself on. Whoa! Let me talk to you guys a little bit about what's new here on the newest 2020 laptop. That keyboard is so smooth! A lot of people has been saying if you guys can wait for the next year or so, if you don't have to change your laptop at this very moment, you can just wait for the new processor that Apple has been working on. It's called the ARM. And so kung hindi nyo pa naman kailangan palitan yung laptop nyo, just wait for the next year or so you'll get a better processor. Hey Siri!
Hey Siri, open the documents folder.
Hey Siri, what's the weather?
This laptop has the Touch ID button right down here. And guys, can you see like that touch bar? You can like navigate through it, whatever app you're working on. Let's get right into it. Let's start with customization of our folders. So you just look up an icon, a computer icon that you want to be on your folder. So I am looking up coconut tree PNG. It has to be on a PNG or a transparent file. And then you go File, New Folder, File, and then get info, drag this into there. So if it doesn't work, then you should turn on this one. So if you click on that, there you go. Open Apple System Preferences and Dock. I wanna automatically hide and show somewhere right there. Accent colors is something when you like hover right here, it's like it's currently blue at the moment, and so to change that we go System Preferences, General, and it's just this one accent color right here. I think I'll just go gray. Next is what I've been really excited about. Now I want to go to Canva and Pinterest. And so the next thing we're gonna do is we look up the size of our desktop background and we input that on Canva, and basically we just get all the photos that you want on Pinterest or wherever you want and arrange them in such a way that it looks nice for you. Once you're happy, download it on your computer and we're ready to save it as a desktop background. This next customization just needs the one website, which is called the Flicklo app, and you just have to be careful in downloading this one because there's a lot of virus out there, and you just wanted to download the one for a Mac. You just click on that and it'll save into your computer. Give it a minute or two. Once it's there, you can open the downloads folder, click on it, it'll automatically install in your computer. Click on the saver, it'll open your system preferences. Once you've installed, there you can use it as your analog clock. So the last of our checklist is we are going to do hot corners. We're still on system preferences, desktop and screensavers, and then down here is hot corners. Hot corners means it's just certain corners of your MacBook has certain functions. You can choose whatever it is. So top left, I want it to be the lock screen. Top right, I want it to be the launch pad. And you guys can just read the rest. And we have come to the end of the video. I hope you guys did enjoy this unboxing of my MacBook Pro. I'll keep on exploring it and see if I could make another video if you guys want a part 2. Please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. You can look me up on Facebook at Zoe and on Instagram it's zoe.wolf. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!